शिक्षक दिसा निमतान बुधवारा राज्य पावंड्या वयल्या शिक्षक पुरस्कारांचे वितरण जालें। 9 शिक्षकांचो गौरव सुवाळो जालो। शिक्षक दिसाच्या निमतान राज्य सरकारान राज्यांतल्या 9 शिक्षकांचो भोवमान केलो। हातूंत रामदास केळकर, संभाजी राऊत, सुभाष सावंत, गजानन शेटये, श्वेता प्रभुदेसाय, विल्मा पेरेरा, देविदास कुडव, गिरीश तेंडुलकर, कोरा कोयेलो ह्या शिक्षकांचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो। आरडेक्स गो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
As a birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, we celebrate 5th September Teachers' Day. You know, world is a dynamic, and if we have to compete in this world, we have to take the help of our teachers. Lord Buddha said, Gautam Buddha, if you light a lamp, the road will get enlightened. Path will get enlightened. In the same way, today on this Teachers' Day, we are felicitating 9 teachers, best teachers in the state. The state government has given topmost priority to education and health. Out of the total budgetary expenditure, 1,400 crore rupees is spent on education, and the thrust of the government is on quality education. We have launched some programs in the state this year: Shala Siddhi, Value Education, Yoga Education, and besides that we have implemented Civic Sense.
संस्कार क्षम पिढी निर्माण करपाच्या वावरांत शिक्षकाची भूमिका महत्वाची असता। ताका लागून शिक्षकान आपल्या पेशाकडे पळयतना केवळ नोकरी म्हणून पळयनासतना एक जबाबदारी म्हणून पळोवन ते नदरेन काम करपाची गरज आसा।
एका बाजून आनंद खूप होतो म्हणाला, 34 वर्षाच्या साधनेची कुठेतरी सफलता दिसून येते, त्याची नोंद घेतली जाते असं वाटतं। पण त्याचबरोबर मनाच्या एका कप्प्यात कुठंतरी एक दुःखही होतं। आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री, द्रष्टे शिक्षण मंत्री या कार्यक्रमास अनुपस्थित आहेत याची प्रकर्षानं जाणीव होत आहे।
I've always worked with dedication and I've worked with compassion. Teaching has been my passion, and therefore these 34 years have just gone by with a wink of an eye.
You'll find a lot of problems. Many wish to become part of problems, but very few opt to become part of solutions. Teaching profession certainly gives you an opportunity to become part of solution.
And this is something which has been built up over the years with a lot of painstaking effort. And the largest stakeholders in this progress, in this process, has been our teachers.
नए चले जा रहे हैं, नए आ रहे हैं, और खासकर इंटरनेट में कि भाई आप जाओ और आप खुद ही पढ़ लो, और तो शिक्षक की क्या जरूरत है, ये भी प्रश्न कई बार आते हैं। और मैं हमेशा ये वाली बात कहता हूँ कि बुद्धि तीव्र हो लेकिन मानसिकताहीन हो या मानसिकताहीन तो जनित नहीं हो सकता।